Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we're looking at this question and it says evaluate 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x all over 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals to 5. So here we are going to evaluate that for us to find the value of x. So we are given 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x all over 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals to 5. So here we recall that it's a note when we have a to the power of x times a to the power of x is the same thing as a to the power of x plus x. So in this case, we can write it as a to the power of 2x. So this is what it means when we have something like this. So we are going to interpret this in this format. So this will become 5 to the power of x plus x all over 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals to 5. So here we can see that we have 5 to the power of x here. It's common. We can factor it out. So this one will become 5 to the power of x plus x will give us 3x all over 5 to the power of x into, when divide here by here will give us 1 plus 1 dividing all here by here, that will give us 1 plus 1 plus 1 all equals to 5. So here this is the same thing as 5 to the power of 3x all over 5 to the power of x into 3 equals to 5. So this is what we have now. And also we recall that when we have a to the power of n all over a to the power of n, the same thing as a to the power of n minus n. So here we are going to represent this in this format. So that will give us 5 to the power of 3x. When this goes up, it becomes minus x all over 3 equals to 5. So doing, we can cross multiply here. So here will become 5 to the power of 3x minus x will give us 2x equals to 3 times 5. So here will come 5 to the power of 2x equals to 15. So this is what we have. We recall that it's a note when we have a to the power of m all to the power of n is the same thing as a to the power of n times m. We can interchange the power. So this will become 5 to the power of x all into 2 equals to 15. So doing, this is the same thing as we can move this to this other side, will become 5 to the power of x all to the power of 2 minus 15. 15 can be written as root 15 times root 15, or we have root 15 to the power of 2. So this will become 5 to the power of x all to the power of 2 minus root 15 all to the power of 2 equals to 0. So here it is in the form a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, which will give us a plus b all into a minus b. So we are going to represent this in this format, and this is our a and this is our b. Before we do that, okay, let's continue from here. We have it as, here we become, this is the same thing as having 5 to the power of x, then plus root 15, then we have 5 to the power of x minus root 15, all equals to 0. So here we have this. So here will be either the first parenthesis equals to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. Let's look at case 1 and case 2. For case 1, we have 5 to the power of x plus root 15 equals to 0. So doing, we will transpose this into this other side. We buy 5 to the power of x equals to minus root 15. In this situation, we can see that this is positive, which equals to negative. Therefore, positive cannot be equals to negative. So this case 1 is rejected. We are going to look at how we are be able to find the value of x from case 2. So we have here case 2, where we have, this is case 2, we have 5 to the power of x minus root 15 equals to 0. So in this case, we can transpose this into this other side. We have 5 to the power of x equals to root 15. So for us to find the value of x here, we need to introduce log to both sides. So we'll say introduce log to both sides. So this will become log 5 to the power of x equals to log root 15. This is same thing as having, when we recall, we say note, when we have log a to the power of x is same thing as x log a. So expressing this in that format, we have x log 5 equals to log root 15. So here we can divide all through by log 5 for us to have the value of x. Therefore, log 5 all over log 5, x log 5 all over log 5 equals to log root 15 all over log 5. Log 5 will cancel here and log 5 will cancel here. Therefore, x equals to log root 15 all over log 5. Or we can rewrite this as x equals to log root 15 base 5. This is the answer. Or we can also write as x here can be written as log root 15 all over log 5. If we punch our calculator here, our x will be equal to, punch our calculator for log root 15 will give us 0.5880. All over, if we punch our calculator for log 5 will give us 0.6990. So dividing 0.5880 all over 0.6990 will give our answer as x equals to 0.8413. So this is the value of x that we have. It is either this one or we have the value of x as this. C saves us as the correct answer. This or this. C saves us as the correct answer to this question. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on the Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.